No.
Yes! Let's go!
And thank God they didn't blow that play dead because it's stupid ball.
Serve it up, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle!
Go,
Go!
there we go.
Go!
There we got it. There we got it.
Let's go!
There we go. Hey, you got it all.
Row, Tay-Tay! Row!
My God, what a hit. Hang around. Hang around. Yeah!
Come on!
Come on, baby. Yeah! Yeah, baby. We're going to get one. Yeah, boy. Trey! Get out here, baby! Yes! Come on out, baby! Way to go, baby. Heck of a job. Jaden! Yeah, baby! Come on in here! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Hey, good job tonight, buddy. Great job.
Hey Pirate Nation, this is former East Carolina pitcher Davey Penny of the Keith LeClaire era, class of 2003. Keep it tuned to the sports objective as you follow our Diamond Bucks on the road to Omaha, because y'all know we're going.